Now, forewarned weather, rated Middle Tennessee's most accurate forecast.
As we head into the last full week of August, head farther into the last full week of August, we tend to see some fall-like weather paying us a visit every once in a while. A nice prolonged stretch of that fall-like weather as we head through the next few days, though. Let's take a look at some other typical late summer and early fall weather, and that is another storm that has taken shape in the Atlantic Ocean. So we'll start with the local perspective. Now let's zoom off to the southeast and show you what is happening in the tropics. And we still have the remnants of Danny. That's on the left-hand side of your screen. That is now just a glob of clouds with some rain moving over Puerto Rico. This is a more organized system. This is Tropical Storm Erica with a K, in case you're curious. Moving to the west-northwest, a tropical storm, which means its winds are less than 74 miles an hour. In fact, right now, it's still kind of disorganized. The winds are 45 miles an hour, but it is going to strengthen as it moves to the west to a stronger tropical storm. But it's going to get into the same environment that really tore Danny apart, so it's not going to be able to reach hurricane strength until it looks like Friday night into Saturday. And this is the National Hurricane Center's official forecast path. The red line is where they expect it to go. The fan is where it could go. So it could go over Puerto Rico and Hispaniola. This is Haiti and the Dominican Republic. If it goes over those islands, the land is just going to tear the storm apart. If it stays just north, then it should be able to hold on to some organization, even strengthen as it moves into some warmer water here. And the official path does take it into the Bahamas by late Saturday night into early Sunday morning. You kind of continue to follow that red line. You think, okay, that's going to go straight towards the coast of Florida. Not necessarily. It could curve away from the coast. It could slow down. The European forecast model just parks it off the coast of Florida early next week. We'll keep an eye on it. But again, it's several days away. In fact, probably at least a week away from having any potential impact on the United States. Around here this morning, a pretty sunrise, a pre-sunrise sky looking towards downtown Nashville. And you can pick out Venus there on the upper right-hand side of your screen. That is the morning star now, morning planet technically. Pretty sunrise across the midstate. Lots of sunshine in store for us today. Looking for a little bit of fog, but mainly we're just seeing it near the rivers and lakes in the midstate. Carthage, you're always one of the foggier spots. We're really not seeing much of that here from Smith County at this point this morning, and looking good towards downtown Nashville as well. Don't forget the sunglasses on the way out the door this morning. A pretty sunrise from Lawrenceburg too. Let's check on those temperatures, and those stand in the 50s in most locations. But the cool spot is 48 degrees in Paris, 51 in Cookeville, 52 Livingston and Tullahoma, also 52 in Clarksville, with some fog near the Cumberland River in Clarksville. Might slow you down just a little bit. And 58 degrees right now in Nashville. Very dry air in place across the midstate. Dew points are in the low 50s, and that's when the humidity is barely even noticeable. Enjoy it while it's here, because temperatures are going to climb back up closer to normal by the end of the work week and into the weekend. But we're leaving the forecast dry all the way through the work week. Just a 20% storm chance Saturday and Sunday. Doesn't look like a lot to worry about over the weekend, other than just, typical August temperatures in the upper 80s to around 90 degrees and enough humidity to make you sweat just a little bit. It's good for you.
Does Dagny know how hard you're going to run her today?
She has a pretty good idea. I'm not going to run her today. I think I'm just going to walk her.
What, fast walk?
Just we'll pick up the pace a little bit. Got to get her back in shape before we try to run her.
In your cute little shorts, little walking shorts?
I'll just leave that up to your imagination, Rudy.
Okie dokie then. It's going to be a great day to get out and exercise, that's for sure, no matter what you want to do, something. How about driving? How are we looking on the roads this morning?
We're looking good, guys. Let's take a look